Will be reverse video. Unahin yung sa loob bago sa labas. So this is the front of the Coogee Reef. Coogee Reef. Coogee San Jose. Then you can see. So this will be the view that you can see in the Coogee Reef. And this is the beach spot yung kanila. Then the reverse man ato ang ihimo. Ayan. So this is what you can see. So last time yung Sea Horizon, look, very cute. Dalawa silang we'll try to ask, pwede lang punta direct, diba? Yung pwede ta direct. This is their bar. Pictures. Coogee Reef in San Jose. Maliit na. Tapos ito. This one. What is beautiful ay may mga may akasya. Sa Tilasa. Let's go. We walk again. That's my wife. So we'll try to ask. Agar tali tugin kay mga tanat at kila ni Juan. Huh? Okay, just stay there. I'll take photos of you. Ready? Daging, sige na. Ay, tiri sa sides. Hindi ka makita diya. There. Ayan. So, that is there. Just because, kana nga side ka na. That is there. Wow. Okay. So, from the inside, we go to the middle part. So basically this is the walkway at yung kanilang car park dyan lang. So we have this one. So this can be an event place actually, sabi nila. May lawn that is made of Bermuda. Ayan. Then this is where you can order your food. So reverse ang ginawa natin. Reverse presentation. Okay, and then here we are. And ayan. And let's try to take photo of my wife walking. Ayan, okay. So reverse video taking. So dito na kami kanina. We ordered. That is Coogee Reef. Try to take pictures. So this is now the entrance. Dakugiri. Okay, yan. Okay. So, that's the series liner. So basically that is the municipality proper dyan. Ang 300 meters and going there is going to the north. Look at that. So this is the entrance. Yan. So pasok tayo muli. There. So this is more or less around 15 minutes travel from Dumaguete City. Nalimutan ko na yung old name. Yeah. So thanks for watching.